Hey everyone, how's it going? Now that it's winter time, I want to show you guys how to draw some different winter style animals, and today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a penguin. So to start off with our penguin, we're going to begin with the eye. Now I'm just going to draw the eye right here, and I'm just going to make a little oval shape like this. You're not going to really see much of the penguin eye because when you color it in, most of the penguin's face is black, so the eye kind of gets lost. Now, starting back here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then it's just going to kind of come down like this for the head. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to kind of curve up a bit, and then go down. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. Then right here, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve back right here for the mouth. Then starting back here, we want to take this line and we kind of want to draw it out, and then you want to slowly kind of bring it in as you go down. So it just kind of goes out and then kind of curves back in. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw this line down just a bit, and then I'm going to draw this line out. And you just kind of want to do the opposite that you did over here. You're just going to kind of draw this line out, and then you're just going to kind of bring it in to about here. Now, starting back here, we want to make the tail. So I'm just going to draw a line that starts up here. It's just going to go out. And I'm going to put a couple little zigzag lines on it, and then just kind of curve it back up here. Then, starting here to make the leg, you're just going to draw this line in just a bit, kind of curve it in a little more. And then starting here, you just want to make a line that just goes down. And then kind of like what we did over here with the zigzags, I'm just going to put some small little zigzag lines here. And then I'm just going to kind of connect them to the tail. Then I'm just going to make a little line that kind of goes up right here. Now for the feet of the penguin, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to go down, and you just want to kind of bring it right back to where these little zigzag lines are. And then right here, I'm just going to draw another little kind of curved line to show where the other toe is. And then penguins have some little claws on the ends of their feet. And then right back here, I'm just going to draw another little line down for the other leg. Now, right about in the middle of the body, you want to add the wing. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve like this. And then at the end, it's going to kind of be round, and it's just going to kind of curve back, and then it's going to go up a bit like this. Then, starting right up here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go over, and then it's kind of going to go up like this towards the eye, and then it's just going to kind of run right back down here for some of the markings. And then right here by the wing, you just want to draw a line that's just going to go up to about here. And then you want to draw a line down, and then just kind of bring it all the way towards the leg. And there you go, there is your drawing of a realistic penguin. Now when we color this, you're going to want to be using some blacks, some grays, oranges, yellows, different things like that. And when I start coloring this, I'm going to add some of these details all in here like this, kind of all around here, and do a little bit of blending. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring. Thanks for watching.